Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt of V-Twin Visionary, and we're back on the Rockford Fosgate / Harley-Davidson / V-Twin Visionary 2021 Street Glide build. We were not really ever happy with stock handlebars on any Harley, or pretty much any motorcycle there is, and we decided to use a set of FXR Division handlebars. These are the Street Which bars. They have the same bend as a T-bar, but you don't have to change a bunch of stuff out. They use all your stock cables, all your stock clamps, everything. Really simple to install. They get the bars a lot flatter, a lot more of a moto and BMX feel. And then we top them off with a set of ODI grips. Making sure this thing is fully custom and good looking, we employed a Green Brothers design shift linkage. This thing's made out of aerospace aluminum and stainless steel rod ends. We really dig them. We use them on pretty much all of our builds. I know Danny Wilson uses them on all his Motorwitch builds as well. They look cool, they work excellent. No more, no less. And there's the beautiful Fab 28 pipe installed in its natural state, looking beautiful, and it's gonna be sounding even better when we pop this motor open. Stay tuned for more.